Because why not? Coconut donut. Okay. So this will be our chicken, guys. And we have to rub it on the chicken. So I prepare now the oven. Heat with 250 degrees Celsius. Okay. Okay, guys. So we'll rub now to our chicken. See? And like that. Okay. See? It's become reddish. Then we're going to bake it. That's it. That's very simple. Okay, I will show you the photo of the finished product. I'll post it online on my YouTube channel. So just watch out for the photo of the finished product. Abangan nyo lang guys ang finished product. I'll take a photo, but more or less it will be look like the same on the photo, and the before and after. Yes. Okay. So it's like that, guys. We'll cover it with the foil. Okay, I'll just wash my hands. Okay. See? So yummy. Looks yummy and delicious. The yumminess and deliciousness. Okay. The yumminess and deliciousness of the chicken. Okay. We're going to bake it. Ta-da-da-da-da. Okay. Open. Ah, I forgot to cover it with foil. Wait, I'm going to cover it with foil, guys. Okay. Then okay. Okay, guys. I don't have foil enough. So that's it. Okay, we're going to put it in the oven. Then after 30 minutes, you can remove the foil. Okay? Without the foil. Okay? What you want? Where you go? Food? Okay, yeah, prepared. So that's all for today's video, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Just watch out for the photo of the finished product. I'm going to post